Welcome to Todelu press meet, Varun Dhawanji. How are you?
One second. Before you say anything and I forget.
Okay.
Todelu Ikarondi! Before I forget.
Okay. చూసి నేర్చుకోండి అమ్మా చూడండి ఎంత చక్కగా అన్నారు. Anyway, so welcome to Telugu film industry and welcome to Hyderabad, Varun Dhawanji. How is it being here in Hyderabad and meeting the fans in live?
Honestly, I'm saying this now in English, but I hope that in a year I will say this in Telugu and very good Telugu, that it honestly feels like being home. This is home. This is home, and it's always been home because like you said that I'm a director's son. So films are in my family, it's in my blood. So every morning we don't only discuss Hindi cinema, we discuss Telugu cinema as well. We discuss Telugu films as well. We discuss the best talent of India. And I feel some of the best talent of India comes from Hyderabad, comes from Telugu cinema. And like I said, I feel like this is home for me. And hopefully, like Sir said, that he's worked with my father, he's worked with my brother, and hopefully we will be able to work soon. And I would love nothing more than to do a proper Telugu film with Geeta Arts soon. Thank you sir, thank you.
We are eagerly waiting for the film, but as we all know, Judwa Gani and Main Tera Hero are remakes of Telugu films. So Kandiriga andarki telusu kada. Yeah. So do you have any film in your mind that you wanted to remake or you want to remake again from Telugu?
Now I want to do a Telugu film and then I want a Hindi hero to remake it. No, I feel, see, we are part of one country, India. We all are India, we all feel the same things. We all are the same. We might speak little different languages and there are few cultural differences, but actually we are all the same. So when India plays cricket, we never say that, oh, this guy scored so many runs, he was from North India, or he scored so many runs, he was from South India. It doesn't make a difference. We say an Indian scored the runs. So same way, hopefully, moving forward, we'll be speaking only like that. And, and like the culture is happening of all films doing well, and how Alu Arvind Garu said that he wants that this film does very well over here, and he all released Kantara as well over here, and it did so well. So we're hoping Todelu does very well. And I was just telling someone right now only that before Bhedia's advance booking opens, I want Todelu's advance booking to open.
Wow. So can we expect a direct Telugu film anytime soon? Alu Arvind sir also wished for that. So any manifestation that we are going to do today for a direct Telugu film?
100%. I think it's in Sir's hands only. And whenever he wants to make it happen, I'm sure we'll make it happen soon.
Okay. So this manifestation is going on, right? So would we wish for any director also would we make any plan for the director also to join the project? Whom do you want to work with?
So many some of the best directors also come from here. There's Rajamouli sir, there's Trivikram sir, there's Sukumar sir, some of the best directors, and and that's why I love Bunny's body of work. He's such a talented actor, but he's also been able to work with some of the best directors of this country, And Geeta Arts has always partnered with the best directors of this country.
Yes, looking forward next elanti project tho rabothunnaru ani. Yes, easy question. Now I'll put an easy question. Who is your favorite heroine in Telugu? Heroine.
Okay. This I have to be very careful and say. Who I'm working with one, yes. I'm working with one. I'm working with Hyderabad ki darling. But I think there are a lot of people now. Who do you guys think I look good with? Kriti? No, Kriti to is Yashola Singh. Rashmika? Alia to have, yeah, even Alia is a Telugu hero now, you're right. Samantha? Okay, so if you all really wish hard, then maybe I could be working with Samantha.
Wow. So lovely to see that he's taking his fans' opinion before he says the name. That's fantastic. And yes, Varun Dhawanji, tell us something about the experience. You know, there is so much.
I'm not used to be called G by anyone.
Okay.
In my house, to this, hey,
Cool.
red le gaya.
Cool. Even I am not used to G, but I'm just trying it on stage today. Anyways, so we heard that there is an undiscovered place called Zero in Arunachal Pradesh where, you know, this film has shot. So can you tell us your experience working there and...
Most beautiful place, I think, in the world. When, as Indians, we always say, you know, we want to go for a holiday, let's go somewhere to Switzerland sometimes, or let's go, you know, out of India sometimes. We want to go to a foreign country. But I feel that if anyone visits Arunachal Pradesh, visits Zero, it's just an untapped beauty. 70% of oxygen of India comes from Arunachal Pradesh. And the people are beautiful. Lots of them know so much about Indian cinema. You'll be surprised how much fan following is there for Indian cinema over there. So I would urge all of you all to please watch Todelu and go to the place where Todelu was shot as well.
Wonderful. So, Kriti Sanan Garu has danced for us on stage.
I'll sing a song, maybe a little bit.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Which Kriti Sanan Garu has only taught me. Or you
Okay.
only taught me. She only taught me the song. She was very excited about, she kept saying, you know, we are going to Hyderabad, we have to go very prepared because Adipurush is releasing after a few months. So don't cut my nose over there. I said, don't worry, don't worry. There's a song called Apna Banale, which is sung by Arijit Singh, but in Hindi, but I would want to attempt it here in Telugu. Is the original? Okay, I had asked whether the beautiful singer who sang it in Telugu is here, but he's not here, so you all will have to hear my voice. Sorry. Chiriki varale ivu, chiriki varale ivu. Come. I need playback sing also.